Acids are actually covalent compounds, so they're composed of primarily two nonmetals. However, they're special in that they have hydrogen as part of the compound, and the hydrogen is going to behave. When you put an acid in the water, it's going to behave as if it were a cation. So we'll take a look at how to name these, but just to read through this for you, acids are covalent compounds that have the potential to form ions when put in water. Thus, acids look like ionic compounds that have H plus as the cation. Hydrogen acts as a 1 plus ion, so the number of hydrogens in the compounds is dictated by the charge on the anion. We have three basic options for these. All of them are based on the ending on the anion that the hydrogen is combined with. So for instance, bromide. So this would be a single element anion, the IDE ending. First, let's write down the formula for this. So if the Br is a -1, hydrogen's a +1, the formula would be just HBr. And what happens here is the ide ending becomes a hydroic acid. So HBr becomes hydrobromic acid. So what we see happening here is the addition of the hydro prefix, and we drop the ide ending and add ic to make the name for the acid. So any ide would do this. So chloride would be hydrochloric acid. Iodide would be hydroiodic acid. So that would be the first option. The second one is 8. And so here we have phosphate. Phosphate is a 3- polyatomic ion. So to make the acid out of this, we would need 3 H pluses. So it would be H3PO4. So it would be the formula. The 8 ending becomes just an ic acid. So we would have phosphoric acid. So again, very, very similar to the ide anion ending, but leaving off the hydro prefix, so just phosphoric acid. And then finally, our last option is an ite ending anion. So the anions end in ITE, and these would all be polyatomic anions, as would the 8 anions. So if we have hypobromite, this is BrO minus. The formula, since it's a -1, would be HBrO. And the ite ending goes to an us, an OUS acid. So we just basically recopy hypo, bro, but instead of the ite ending, we're going to add OUS. So we have hypobromous acid. Okay, so again, fairly straightforward. Ide endings goes to hydroic acids. 8 ending anions go to ic acids, and ite ending anions go to us acids. Again, probably just a matter of practicing a few of these until we get it down.